Seniors, listen carefully. After 70, muscle loss doesn't happen slowly, it accelerates. And most people are eating foods they believe are healthy. But in reality, they're doing almost nothing to protect their strength. An orthopedic surgeon reviewed over 200 vegetables for their ability to rebuild muscle. Out of all of them, only a few actually made a measurable difference. Today, here are 4 that truly work, and the number 1 might completely change how you eat. Number 4, lentils. Around 12 grams of protein per 100 grams. But protein alone isn't the real story. Lentils are rich in lysine, an amino acid most seniors don't get enough of. Without it, your body struggles to repair damaged muscle fibers. That's why weakness creeps in year after year. Lentils help reverse that process by giving your muscles what they actually need to rebuild. Number 3, black beans. Nearly 9 grams of protein, but what makes them powerful is their combination of protein and fiber. As we age, unstable blood sugar becomes a hidden problem. It drains energy and speeds up muscle breakdown. Black beans stabilize that. They give your body steady fuel, so your muscles don't just grow, they last longer throughout the day. Number 2, edamame. Young soybeans with about 14 grams of protein per 100 grams. More importantly, it's a complete protein, containing all 9 essential amino acids. After 70, your body becomes resistant to protein, a condition known as anabolic resistance. That means even if you eat protein, your muscles don't respond the same way. Edamame helps flip that switch back on, making your body respond again. Number 1, soybeans. 21 grams of protein per 100 grams. That's not just high, it rivals meat. But here's what makes it different. It's a complete protein combined with natural compounds that fight inflammation, one of the main drivers of muscle loss. So while it builds muscle, it also protects it from breaking down. That combination is why some seniors notice real strength improvements within weeks of eating it consistently. Here's the truth. After 60, it's not about eating more food. It's about eating the right foods. These 4 aren't just healthy options. They directly determine whether you stay strong or slowly lose your independence.